In this video, you'll learn how to log in to your WordPress account. This process will guide you through each necessary step to ensure you can access your website effectively. Begin by opening a web browser of your choice. You can use popular options such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the window. Type in WordPress and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will prompt your browser to display the search results related to WordPress. You may notice a variety of links, including the official WordPress website. Look for the link labeled, quote, wordpress.com, everything you need to build your website, and click on it. This will take you directly to the WordPress homepage, where various options for building and managing your website are available. Once the WordPress homepage loads, locate the button that says Login at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will redirect you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see a message that prompts you to log in to wordpress.com. It is essential to ensure that you are on the correct page before proceeding. You should also read the terms of service and privacy if you haven't done so already. Next, you will encounter a field asking for your email address or username. Enter the required information in the appropriate field. After entering your details, look for the option that says Continue with Google and click on it if you prefer logging in using your Google account. If you select Continue with Google, a new window will appear prompting you to choose your Google account. Click on your email address associated with your WordPress account to proceed. After selecting your email, you may need to click Continue to confirm your choice. This action will direct you back to the WordPress login interface, where you will be logged in automatically. Once logged in, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This interface will allow you to manage your website's content, appearance, and settings. Ensure you familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for easier navigation in the future. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.